I'll guide you through the exact steps to find that lost post, making sure you never miss a draft, whether it was saved on your personal Facebook profile or a Facebook page. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. To find FB drafts on a personal profile, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the What's on Your Mind field on your home screen. This should automatically surface the draft at the top. If you save the drafts after tapping the back arrow and Save as Draft, simply tap on the notification telling you the draft has been saved. You will see a list of all your recently saved drafts. Tap on the three-dot menu to the right of the draft to discard draft or open the draft. You can now continue editing it and hit Post when ready. If you save the draft to a business page, you can locate it via the Meta Business Suite app. Open the app and scroll down to the Posts section and tap it. On the top left, tap the Publish drop-down box and select Drafts from the pop-up. You'll then see a list of all post drafts you've saved. To edit the draft, tap the three dots on the right and pick an option from Edit, Publish Now, Schedule, or Delete. Remember this critical limitation. Drafts for personal accounts expire after 3 days and then they are removed. Also, be aware that you cannot save drafts on a personal account using the desktop website. If you wrote it on your computer and navigated away, it's gone. If the draft is current, simply restart the Facebook app to clear temporary glitches that hide the draft notification. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Facebook video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.